Okay, I thought this statement was rather interesting, where it says that among the ME/CFS specific species, three of them, which I'm not going to pronounce, I don't want to butcher the names, were deficient, and the ME/CFS patients in 9 species, blah, 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 were enriched. So there was obviously a change in the way the expressions of what kind of microbial content there is in the gut. Now, and this is a big problem with the microbiome. There's been a number of attempts of trying to understand it. Some people try to indicate that it's just a few species of bacteria. Bifidus, and you can see, if you buy probiotics, you can see bifidus, you can see lactobacillus, and then there's soil-based organism, which is some of the bacillus. But there seems to be an awful lot of organisms that nobody ever talks about. You won't see them in any probiotic, and I think that presents some of the problem. Apparently, the first one, now I have to pronounce it, I'm not even going to try it, and the E. rectale or rectale. Apparently, these are a little bit a higher percentage in the microbiome. So they're not like a casual small percentage. There's certain percentages of diverse microorganisms. Some are going to be more prevalent than others. But I thought when I read the article, they indicate that that first one is makes up, I think they said 15%, which was kind of surprising to me. The issue with that organism is that you can't really culture it, so you can't get it in a probiotic. It's very sensitive. It's an anaerobe organism, which means it's very highly sensitive to oxygen. So as soon as it's exposed to oxygen, poof, it'll dissipate. But there's, from what I'm reading, is that there should be some natural ways to be able to culture it within the gut itself. I'm going to try to get into a little bit of that.